stand for something or you'll die for nothing. It's one of the most powerful quotes I think I've heard, because self-respect as a man is the foundation. Um, if you don't respect yourself enough to stand up for what you believe in, and you let people just walk all over that, nobody's going to respect you.
Right.
You don't expect to get respect from the rest of the world if you don't show that the world you deserve respect. A lot of people, especially nowadays, they think that you should just respect them just because. Is like, I respect those who respect me.
Right.
That's, rule number one is in some of the creed of, the martial arts I've trained in, is like, we respect those who respect us. If you don't respect me, I don't respect you.
Right.
That's just how it is. But I have to respect me first. That comes first, because if I don't respect me, then I'm going to allow you to just get away with whatever.
Right.
You can say whatever to me. You can do whatever you want to me. If I don't respect myself enough to be like, hey, bro, if you say something to me right now that is above that line for me, I'm gonna call you on it.
Right.
Like, hey, bro, don't say that shit to me again.
Right.
As don't call me. It's like, for example, and this is one of those things that could be one of those things. Is like, I don't do the word nigga. I don't do it. It's like I've had plenty of people say that to me. I'm like, hey, bro, don't call me that. It's like, don't say that to me. I'm not that. It's like, I'm not getting upset with you because you don't know. But from this point on, don't call me that, because I don't roll like that.
Right.
That's not what I'm about. I'm not gonna call you that. I don't roll in that circle. Don't call me that. And there's almost a certain respect that people have when you call them. It's like, oh shit, he could have just let me keep calling him that.
Right.
Because plenty of people probably do. Have people say certain stuff to him or do certain things to him, even in relationships, that they don't feel good about, until it gets to the point where they finally just pop. When you should have addressed that at the beginning.
Right.
You knew that was the line that they were crossing in the beginning when they did that thing. Why didn't you address it then?
Right.
Because you're not standing on your square right now. It's like, and because you didn't stand on your square, you're willing to just take whatever the fuck the world has to offer to you. So if you don't stand for something, you'll die for anything.
That's actually so that's a really good example, because that is something that in the Black community, it's pretty much like assumed that you either use the word or you are like using it amongst your people and all that kind of stuff. And it's a touchy subject with some people, because it's not harmless. The word itself, of course, is not harmless.
Yeah.
No matter how many times you try to flip it to mean something positive for you,
most people don't even know what the word means.
As soon as somebody who doesn't look like you says it, now it's a problem.
Yeah.
So then it means it was a problem all the time. You know what I mean? Like that goes way deeper into
something. But that's
else,
also a piece of. I think that's also a piece of not standing on the square. How can that be fine for one person to say to you, but not fine for another person to say to you?
Right.
That doesn't make much sense. It's like, for me, that's a perfect example of this. Is like not standing for that respect, not standing for that self-respect.
Right.
Because if you call me this and you're different just because of this color of your skin, but I call myself this, what am I really doing? It's like, how can you? That's like, if you feed me poison, I die. But if I feed me poison, I'm fine.
Right.
That makes no sense.
Exactly.
That makes absolutely no sense. So for me, that's another part of not. That's another piece of not standing on the square. It's like, so in your hands, this dagger is deadly, but if I cut myself, I'm fine.
Right.
That makes like I said, you're not. I don't think you're standing on your square when it comes to that. So if you're gonna call yourself something, be okay with the rest of your world calling you it, or don't say shit about it. It's like, because if for me, it's like, and that's the other thing. It's like, some of us will say worse, and this goes into more like self-respect, but we'll say worse things to ourselves that we will not allow somebody else to say. I've done it in the past. I've said stuff to myself in the past that if you said out your mouth, me and you would be fighting. Like, but yet I've said it to myself. That goes into the self-respect thing too. It's like, because the way I talk to me and the way I treat me is gonna dictate how you treat me,
right,
as well.
Right.
The way I treat me and the way I go by myself, whether it be the way I talk to myself, the things I eat, the things I listen to, the things I watch, the things I read, whatever, the places I go and find myself. I'm trying to be this, pretending to be this respectful man, but yet on the weekends I'm in the red light district. It's like, how respectful am I?
Right.
I'm not living up to my full potential. I'm not. Am I really respecting myself? No.